Guys, welcome to another video session with me. I'm happy you're here. If you are new to this channel, kindly consider supporting my channel by hitting the like button, dropping me a comment, and clicking the subscribe and notification bell button down below. Thank you. If you have been in the crypto market for a long time, hands up. There's a piece of information seasoned investors know that new entrants into the market have no clue about. This information has made them sustain their positions in the crypto market regardless of the challenges. It is a fact that crypto cycles have a lot to say about the momentum of certain cryptocurrencies going forward. Things keep getting better for Bitcoin daily. Experts have not stopped making interesting and jaw-dropping predictions. Now, there are reasons to believe that cryptocurrencies are set for an impressive turnout. As long as Bitcoin, the king of crypto, sustains remarkable results, elites and other cryptocurrencies follow. Recently, the founder of Caprio Investments, Charles Edwards, dropped a hint that Bitcoin is likely to stage a major price increase next year, as one of the biggest catalysts for that is drawing closer, which is of course the Bitcoin halving event. Bitcoin is expected to occur in April next year, and this will be the fourth Bitcoin reward-cutting event since the flagship digital currency was founded in 2008. To support his theory, Edwards shared a chart that showed how the Bitcoin's price reacted to each of the three previous halvings. From the chart, Bitcoin spiked first after Genesis and then went high after each of the three halvings. Every time the price went higher than after the previous halving, this is how it played out. The price went to almost $900 in 2013 and then sprang to nearly $20,000 in 2017. It reached $69,000 in 2021 after the third that took place in 2020. With this, Edwards believes that after Bitcoin, miner rewards will be cut in half in April next year. Soon after that, Bitcoin will also stage an amazing price surge. In an exposure, analysts explained this process, emphasizing that once the halving takes place, the production cost for mining Bitcoin will double overnight and inefficient miners will begin to wrap up their gear. According to Edwards, after the last two halvings, the raw electrical cost for Bitcoin mining bottomed out at plus 65% and 50% of the prevailing values. Now, if the same plus 50% happens this time too, Edward predicts that Bitcoin's price will soar to $41,200 less than half a year after the event. Now this was quite a moderate prediction. Another prediction made on an X post by a major Bitcoin-themed account stated that Bitcoin is likely to come close to the $220,000 level after 2024, explaining that after the same event 3 years ago, Bitcoin surged 6 times and eventually hit $69,000. If there is a reputation of the development, then Bitcoin has good odds of hitting the mentioned astounding price level within the next 18 months. When it comes to Cardano ADA, there are many unrealistic price predictions. In preparation for the Bitcoin event, however, experts like Dan Gambardella have made several analyses that are worth believing. In one of his videos on YouTube, Dan Gambardella was impressed by ADA's stability, particularly considering the recent negative news in the crypto world such as Binance legal issues and Kraken SEC charges. He noted that ADA's price has remained relatively stable, which he views as a bullish indicator. Then, conducting a thorough technical analysis, he examined ADA's performance on the daily and weekly charts. Gambardella highlighted ADA's bounce at the 20-day moving average and its position above the 50-day moving average, thus suggesting a strong technical foundation. He also compared ADA's current market behavior to past cycles, highlighting similarities in the chart patterns and reactions to negative news. Moving forward, Gambardella mentioned the upcoming Bitcoin and its potential positive impact on the broader crypto market, including ADA. He expects exciting developments in the post-halving period which could benefit ADA. The analysts discussed the impacts of regulatory actions on the crypto market, speculating that the recent SEC lawsuits are part of a broader strategy to reset the playing field in the crypto industry. If this goes on well, it could lead to a more regulated and standardized market, potentially benefiting established projects like Cardano. Also, Gambardella identified critical support levels for ADA, especially around the 30-cent mark. He pointed out the intersection of various technical indicators like moving averages and the Fibonacci levels, implying that even a potential decline to these levels would not be bearish but a normal market consolidation. He reiterated his perspective that the crypto market, including ADA, is on track for future growth. Despite acknowledging the possibility of a choppy road ahead, Gambardella remains optimistic about the long-term prospects of ADA and the cryptocurrency market in general. Cardano may have lost its position in the crypto market, especially when it comes to market capitalization, but there are more reasons to stick to it most times, even though investors find it difficult to admit Cardano's vision and development speak louder than ADA's coin price. Let's be reminded that Cardano was developed and launched in 2017 as a better alternative to Ethereum. Both Cardano and Ethereum platforms are used for applications like smart contracts and aim to build a decentralized system from all sides. Cardano is an updated version of the Ethereum blockchain and is considered a third-generation platform to provide banking services to the unbanked world. Cardano's price has projected adequate strength in 2023, but it collapsed in June as a result of the problems with the SEC. Since then, ADA's price has been increasing slowly but with more strength. Even though there are still dips along the line, Cardano has been trading with regular higher highs and lows. This ascending movement is believed to continue for the upcoming months. So far, flexibility is one of the key factors of Cardano's protocol, responsible for Cardano's resilience. Enforced with genuine scalability in mind, Cardano is based on Ouroboros, a consensus protocol to provide enhanced security and handle large volumes of data, scripts, and transactions of different sizes and complexities. Cardano is currently using up only about 25% of its capacity and running at 100% of its capacity, making the network saturated. Both the Cardano network and Ouroboros have been developed to be heavily resilient and fair, even under high saturation. Using back pressure, the overall load of the system can be managed without any network failures, leading to the overall resilience performance of Cardano. So, while some individuals participating in massive NFT drops may experience long waiting times for Cardano transactions or may be required to resubmit local transactions from a large batch, this does not necessarily mean that the ADA network is struggling. Furthermore, speaking of resilience, in January, the breakdown of some assets including LDO, Bitcoin, and Ethereum was the first sign investors received in the short-term bull run on the market. While other assets are either in correction or moving in stalemate, Cardano's coin was steadily going up and did not break the local uptrend, which puts it on a short list of assets that are ascending on the market. At the time, Bitcoin and Ethereum as well as other assets were consolidating around their local highs, which was perceived as a sign of a reversal in the foreseeable future. Unfortunately, Cardano's resilience was followed by a far more subtle price performance compared to Bitcoin's 40% in the past, as ADA had only gained 10% to its value since the beginning of the rally. To an extent, Cardano has reflected a great deal of resilience than other cryptocurrencies. Plus, Charles Hoskinson is a big advantage to Cardano. ADA, the Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson is also one of the co-founders of Ethereum. As a result, if there is anyone who knows how to out-Ethereum, it is Hoskinson. He has been very vocal about the structural flaws of Ethereum in the past, arguing that Cardano has superior blockchain technology. He has not failed to suggest that Cardano will eventually surpass Ethereum and Bitcoin and become the top cryptocurrency in the world, and so far he's done his best. His most recent outburst is proof that he knows what he's fighting for. Hoskinson has been busy defending the Cardano network and now is pretty obvious that he can do anything to make his opinions known in a fiery live stream. Hoskinson called the differential treatment an absolute pathetic joke, demanding that the SEC explain why Bitcoin is viewed as sufficiently decentralized when cryptos like ADA are labeled as securities. Explain to me the difference between Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. I am 5 years old. Run the Howey test. If you subpoena and attack about 3 different entities, you could perform a 51% attack on Bitcoin because that's the way the hash power works. Hoskinson said. The Cardano founder argued that Bitcoin is not as decentralized as commonly believed since controlling over half the network's hash rate would only require the intimidation of a few large mining pools. Hoskinson also refuted claims that Cardano had an initial coin offering token sale, which could justify stricter regulatory oversight if it happened. Charles Hoskinson further attributed the SEC's uneven treatment to pure favoritism, sarcastically praising Bitcoin's Orange Pale Moon Boys for receiving preferential treatment from the regulators. Whether Charles Hoskinson will win this war or not is uncertain. However, we hope that Cardano will eventually be worth this fight, and when this happens, the ADA coin's price will not suffer. That will be all on today's video, guys. Make sure you like my videos, drop me a comment, and subscribe to my channels for more videos.